Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Self-Made. I'm Cole Joseph, and in today's video we are talking about none other than QNT, the Quant Network, the Overledger, which is in my opinion and in fact laying out to be one of the biggest projects in all of crypto. It is the interoperability layer between everything in Web3, and in this video I want to be showing you guys and reiterating why Quant is one of the most important cryptos that you can add to your portfolio, and why you should if you haven't already. Yes, it is sitting at a little over $100 right now, and that is a kind of a large barrier to entry for some crypto projects. For some people, you know, they've got XRP sitting at like 68 cents, Hex less than a cent now, AGIX at 21 cents, XLM at 14 cents, you know, so $100 per token. I see why some people are a little skeptical about jumping into it, but it has such a large upside that I'm telling you, it is a project you want to check out and definitely put in your portfolio if you haven't already. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take anything I say in this video as financial advice. Do your own educated research when it comes to investing into cryptocurrency or stocks or investing into anything in general. All right, let's jump into this. Here we are on the hourly chart for QNT, and we are sitting right at about $103. We've been sitting between $103 and $115 for quite some time now. So we're kind of just moving sideways. There's gonna be some big moves coming up here soon. Quant also just hit 140,000 QNT holders. It's holding up well in the bear market, and when bulls come, the gloves are off. Amazing news keeps dropping. BIS, BOE, and patent approved. If you've researched this next level tech, then you know, feel secured and keep stacking. Seriously guys, just keep stacking QNT while you can, because this $100 price is not gonna be here for very much longer. So Quant was just granted a patent for chronologically ordering blockchain transactions. Quant, the blockchain for financial pioneer, has secured a new patent, part of its ongoing mission to make distributed ledger technology simple, trusted, and future-proof. The patent, titled Blockchain Communications and Ordering, recognizes that Quant has invented a unique method for chronologically ordering transactions from different blockchains. Prior to Quant's research and development, different block times, the average time taken to generate a new block across blockchains meant that finding a definitive transaction ordering method over multiple blockchains that a consortium could agree on was a disjointed and inconsistent process. This hindered items from integrating multi-blockchain based projects into existing systems or using more than one type of blockchain in their operation. The grant of Japanese patent 7273053 recognizes that Quant has introduced a method to agree on a universal time zone for all blockchains so that enterprises and smaller businesses can produce reliable consensus-based records. While Quant works with large institutions, it is a key vendor on a Bank of England project examining central bank digital currencies. It is also aiming to make blockchain more accessible to firms of all sizes via its low-code SaaS platform, Overledger. Other elements of Overledger's technology are also patent pending in various jurisdictions. So Quant is on its road to becoming the king of trusted, future-proof distributed ledger technology, and it is basically the industry standard for building on blockchain. It is the interoperability layer that is going to connect every blockchain with every other blockchain and allow it to be integrated into systems that currently already exist in our world today. Oh, plus, if you guys didn't catch this already, Quant launches Overledger platform to the public officially. So now you can officially go and use the Overledger. Today, we unveil Overledger platform, making the same enterprise-grade technology that has underpinned our projects with institutional and central bank customers to date accessible to large enterprises, SMEs, and developers for the first time. This is huge, guys. This is fucking huge. It is going live. It has gone live already. This is not new news. This is just something that I haven't reported on myself yet. But Overledger platform is live to the public. Just one more reason why Overledger is so bullish. Only 14.8 million QNT tokens ever. Some sites say 14.6, some say 14.8, but only 140,000 wallets hold QNT out of 334 million companies worldwide. There are 334 million businesses, enterprises, financial institutions, and central banks in the world that will need interoperability/data protection for the new era of fiat trade, asset, and management. Now, the whole blockchain economy will connect through QNT because Quant has solutions 5 years ahead of the entire industry, the Overledger platform. 3 lines of code. Furthermore, how do institutions pay for Quant's technology? That's right, in QNT. The Treasury converts the fiat into QNT to be locked for 12 months out of circulation. Fiat converted to QNT locked away. The demand for QNT is coming, okay? Now, what determines the price of a project? Supply versus demand, okay? QNT supply, 14.6 or 14.8, depending on where you get your reference from. 14.6 million tokens, 140,000 wallets holding. The Quant supply is slowly getting less and less and less. The more holders that are hodling these tokens and not selling them, And the more popular that QNT is becoming, the more people are buying and holding. Now, the demand for QNT by the holders wanting to buy and hold, businesses, enterprises, financial institutions, central banks, the popularity in general, the 334 million businesses that are going to be buying this up to use it. Because how do you pay for the overledger tech? Using QNT, you need QNT to use the overledger in general. So in general, for QNT, the supply is going down and the demand is skyrocketing up. So what does that mean for the QNT price? That means it's going to skyrocket. $103 is not going to be here for very much longer. So act accordingly. Pick it up while you can, hodl it, stack while you can. Mark my words, everybody. QNT has 14.6 million QNT tokens. Now look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has 21 million. So QNT has a significant amount less tokens than even Bitcoin. And QNT has max utility when Bitcoin does not. Look what Bitcoin did. Went all the way up to $69,000. Okay? QNT, I'm telling you, is going to outdo Bitcoin by a long shot in the long run. Mark my words. You watching this video right now, do you hold QNT in your crypto portfolio? How many do you hold? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you're stacking a bag or you got a couple. If you don't have any, tell me why you don't have any yet. And are you thinking about getting some? I would really like to know. Tell me what you guys think of this video. Subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my future videos. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm Colt Joseph. Peace.